insert chart in Excel, highlight your data capturing area, then click on insert button. On chart portion, select like column, then in it select like cylinder. After that, move that chart by clicking on move chart. Then on new sheet, rename your chart by giving it a new name like exam chart. Then after that, you click OK. Now your chart is in a new sheet. Give the title of that chart by clicking on the layout button, then click on chart title, move down and click above chart. Then delete existing chart title by replacing with your preferred chart title like exam analysis. After that, still you can give the axis title to your chart by click on axis title on primary horizontal, move down and click below axis. Delete existing axis title by replacing it with yours like of subject. After that, you can proceed by giving another axis title by clicking on axis title on primary vertical, choose like horizontal title, enter your preferred title like of max, and then note. After that, also still you can label your chart onto the layout, click on data labels, move down and click on more data label option, activate the value. Then you click on close. Your chart is well labeled, you can see, and you have completed that task, in which now you can close the window as that is done.